Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import the PDF file into AutoCAD. This is a quite region too and it can be very useful in some cases. Thus, we urban engineering design. We are going to their main region, clicking in search here. And then you can see this icon that says PDF import. Then I am going to choose PDF file, for example this one. I click in upon and you can see this window here. Here is few options to set up. At this moment I am going to import all director geometry of the PDF, which we can select here, and we can use also PDF layer. By checking here and this, we give theory of other use if this drawing active with the recent version of AutoCAD. Now specify the searching point here is PDF. If I told that with the pointer to the layer property manager, we can see all there is AutoCAD file. Now let's see what happened with to the major line. As you can see this, there are no longer dimension line. They were split in line and in text, which is actually very good. So I can double click in the text and to the file. But of course, we can't do this. We choose the text. Otherwise, it will be split very small group line. Next part, I'm going to show another example. This time, I will choose site plan, put as image here, and see what happened. I will click in OK now. I will click specify the middle point. After that, I can't see image here. So, if I want to click site plan layer, first of all, we should set the image. If I select the image, it opens to new to point here. I can do some changes. Max change the construct entry. I'm going to click in this part all the drag it. It can be very easy to see. So this everything tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.